Hello everyone, welcome to solve this math Olympiad algebra problem, and here we have a nice algebraic expression, and we will write this algebraic expression into the simplified form. So we have 75 square root plus 25 square root divided by 75 square root minus 25 square root. So here in this question we solve this problem in two methods. So now first we start our first method. So in first method we just rationalize the denominator, and we have the denominator is 75 square root minus 25 square root, and we just change the sign of 75 square root minus 25 and we multiply and divide it by here. So now you see here we have this term is multiplied by this term and this term is multiplied by this term. So now when we multiplied these two terms, then you see here these are the two same terms. So when we multiply two same factors, then it will be written in the form of whole square. So we write it as 75 square root plus 25 square root and its whole square, and it is divided by. So here we need a nice algebraic formula. So you very well know about this formula. If we have a minus b times of a plus b, it is equals to a squared plus a squared minus b squared. So here we use this nice square identity in the denominator terms, and you see here we have this is 75 square root minus 25 square root and 75 square root plus 25 square root. So we combine these two terms and it will be equals to this form. So we write it as 75 square root and its whole square minus 25 square root and its whole square. And after that we use here another square identity, and you know that if we have a plus b whole square, it is equals to a squared plus b squared plus 2 times of ab. So now we use this nice identity to the upper term, and in the lower term you see here these 2 and square root are gone and these 2 and square root are also gone. So now we use this nice formula on the above term, and it will be written as 75 square root and its whole square plus 25 square root and its whole square plus 2 times of 75 square root multiplied by 25 square root and this whole divided by, because these are gone, and we obtain 75 minus 25. So now in the next step we again simplify the terms, and we see that these 2 and square root are gone, these 2 and square root are gone, and we obtain here 75 plus 25 and plus 2 times of we have 75, and we write the 75 as 25 multiplied by 3. We know that 25 times of 3 equals to 75, and we have 25 square root, and this whole divided by 75 minus 25, and it is equals to 50. So now in the upper term we need some simplification. So here we add or subtract the like terms, and we have 75 plus 25, it is equals to 100, and plus here you see that the square root of 25 is written as 5, and we get the square root of 3, and here we have the square root of 25 becomes 5, and this whole divided by 50. So now we write this equation, this term as 100. So we have we multiply this 5 times of 5 is 25, and 25 2s are 50. So we get 100 plus 50 times of square root of 3, and it is divided by 50. So we separate the terms and we write it as 100 over 50 plus 50 into square root of 3 divided by 50. So these are cancelled by each other, and 5 2s are 100, So this implies that 52 is 100. So this implies that 2 plus this 50 are gone, and you get 2 plus square root of 3. So this is the final answer of this question. This is the final simplification, and this is the first method, and now we move towards our second method. So now first we copy down the given question statement, so and we start our method 2. So in method 2, first we simplify the terms, and we write the 75 as 25 times of 3 and its whole square root, plus we know that the square root of 25 becomes 5, and this whole divided by, again we have 75, and we write it as 25 times of 3 and its whole square root, minus the square root of 25 is 5, and this will be equals to so here we have 25 square root, so it will be written as 5 times of square root of 3 plus 5 divided by square root of 5 into 5 into square root of 3 minus 5. And now you focus on the above terms, and you see here we have 5 be the common expression or common term, so that we take it common 5, and the remaining terms are square root of 3 plus 1 divided by 5 into square root of 3 minus 1. So this 5 is cancelled out by this 5, and we obtain here square root of 3 plus 1 divided by square root of 3 minus 1. So now here first we write our given question in simplified form, and now we take the rationalization of the denominator, and then we simplify, and we easily get its simplified form. So here we rationalize this denominator, and we change the sign, and we multiply and divide it here, and then we get the square root of 3 plus 1 over square root of 3 plus 1. So now we multiply this term by this term and this term by this term, so we obtain a square root of 3 plus 1 and its whole square divided by, so here we again use the nice formula. So you know that if we have a minus b times of a plus b, it is equals to a square minus b square, and after that we use this formula, which is a plus b whole square equals to a square plus b square plus 2 times of ab. So here we need these two formulas. First we use this formula on the denominator terms, and we write square root 3 minus 1 and square root 3 plus 1 as square root of 3 and its whole square minus 1 square, and this equation implies that now we use this square identity on the above term, and it will be written as square root of 3 whole square plus 1 square plus 2 times of square root of 3 into 1, and this whole divided by these 2 and square root are cancelled by each other, and we obtain 3 minus 1. So now we again need some simplification. So these 2 and square root are gone, and we obtain 3 plus 1 plus 2 times of square root of 3 divided by 3 minus 1 equals to 2. And we obtain 3 plus 1 is 4 plus 2 times of square root of 3 divided by 2. And here we separate the terms, and we write it as 4 over 2 plus 2 times of square root of 3 over 2. So this gives us the final answer, and it is 2 times of 2 is 4, and this 2 and 2 are gone, and we obtain square root of 3. So this is our final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.